Hello everyone and welcome to this Monzo Investments review. We're diving deep into Monzo Investments, covering everything you need to know before you start. We'll be looking at the setup, the funds, the fees, and whether it's a good fit for your financial goals. Remember to always do your own research and make your decisions, as this is to help guide you, provide the necessary information you might need. So we'd like to break it down. What is Monzo Investments? Monzo Investments is Monzo's in-app investments platform. It's designed to make investing simple and straightforward. It allows you to invest in a range of BlackRock funds through either a general investment account or a stocks and shares. This is designed for easy access right from your Monzo app. Monzo has partnered with BlackRock, providing a selection of managed funds. So how do you get started? Getting started is designed to be simple. Within your Monzo app, head over to the Investments tab, and then you'll need to complete a risk assessment questionnaire to determine your risk tolerance. Based on your answers, Monzo will suggest suitable funds. Then you will get to choose between GIA or an ISA. So you can set up a one-off investment or regular monthly contributions with the ability to start with small amounts. The app provides clear guidance throughout the process. Now, I'd like to talk about the investment options and fees. Monzo offers a range of BlackRock funds categorized by risk levels, such as cautious, balanced, and adventurous. It's good to understand the fees. Monzo charges a platform fee of 0.45% annually. For Monzo Plus or Premium customers, the fee is reduced to 0.35% annually. BlackRock also charges a fund management fee of 0.14% annually. This fee is taken directly from the fund, reducing the fund value. So you will need to take this into consideration while you're calculating your funds. So the total annual cost is about 0.59% for standard Monzo users and 0.49% for Monzo Plus or Premium customers. All fee information is clearly stated within the app and in the legal documentation, so you want to do well to read through. And with everything in our reviews, we'd like to provide you with the pros and the cons, and starting with the pros. The biggest pro is its simplicity. The in-app integration makes it very convenient. Setting up regular investments is easy and you can start with small amounts. The partnership with BlackRock provides access to professionally managed funds. The ISA option allows for tax-efficient investing. And for Monzo Plus and Premium customers, the platform fee is reduced. On the flip side, with the cons, the range of investment funds is limited compared to dedicated investment platforms. The fees, while competitive, are still a factor to consider. You're reliant on BlackRock's fund choices, which means less control. It's not suited for advanced traders who need more sophisticated tools. The limited fund selection is a notable drawback. However, if you're not an advanced trader, this might not be a concern to you. So who is it really for? Monzo Investments is ideal for beginners who want a simple way to start investing. It's perfect for existing Monzo customers who want to consolidate their finances. It's also suitable for those who prefer automated, regular investing and want to utilize their ISA allowance. However, experienced investors looking for a wide range of options or advanced trading tools may find it basic. In conclusion, we can see that Monzo is a simple, user-friendly option for beginners with a reduced fee for Plus and Premium customers. Before you start, you'll need to understand the fees and the limited fund choices and whether it aligns with your long-term financial goals. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.